So guys, they were saying in the news 365 cars will be patrolling in Sharjah, 500 cars will be patrolling in Dubai. And the answer is
We saw a lot of patrolling cars.
Eid Mubarak to all my Muslim brothers and sisters around the globe. May you have the best day today and may Allah bless us all. Have a beautiful day, stay safe, stay home, and now we are going to go out for a drive. Today's Eid and it's not good to be at home. So we are going to go just for a drive in UAE, somewhere in UAE, and we're going to get back. We're not going to step out. We're just going to go for a quiet drive to see how the situation is in UAE. A lot of checkpoints, a lot of things they've been saying. So let's see how it goes, and I want you to watch this video till the end. Do not go anywhere. Once again, Eid Mubarak to all my brothers and sisters around the globe. And me and my family are just ready. We are ready to... See, we look like SWAT cats. Alright guys, the weather right now here, like I said, it's completely cloudy. And at the same time, it's really sandy. I hope it rains. I think it's going to rain. Let's see how it goes. And this is the second trip we are out on a lockdown period. The first time we went, I'm sure you guys should have seen that video. If you didn't see this video, it'll be end of this vlog. That was for a drive to Jumeirah Beach. And we were in the car, but it was nice. So today is another vlog for Eid especially, and we are still going to be in the car. We're not going to step out of the car, but we're just going to enjoy the drive. Let's see how it goes, guys. By the way, don't get scared of me wearing all this mask. This is compulsory here, and we have to for safety reason. Honestly, today I'm seeing that Dubai is basically back on traffic. You can hear the beep, 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 beep all over.
Double lines today.
Double lines, and I don't know. Basically, this is the first time I'm seeing Eid quiet, and normally Eid will be, I'm sure you guys know, Eid is the grandest, the biggest festival, sir, in the Middle East. And this time it's quiet for safety reason, because of this COVID-19. Everyone are really respecting the rules and being at home. I think most of them are having only a drive and going to the drive to McDonald's and KFC and buying stuff and going home. But right now we're heading towards which place is this? Ajman Beach. So we don't want to go towards Dubai because the rush will be high, and we have seen most of the beaches in Dubai. So we're going to the Ajman Beach. The beach of Ajman, ya Ma'allim.
Snacks for the car.
So this is another change of plan I just want to share with you guys. My wife says not to buy anything from outside because of safety, secure, what is it?
Precautionary measures.
Precautionary measures. So what we're going to do is we already brought stuff from home. So we're going to...
You are not aware of. I have already packed it up.
Yes, so what we're going to do is we're going to sit in a place and near the beach, and we're going to have that. So we are going to avoid buying food from outside, just for your information. The weather is awesome, guys. So it's we are going right now to Ajman Corniche. Ajman Corniche. Will you believe it's sunny and it's raining? This happens only in Dubai and UAE, sorry. So guys, how was your Eid today? I am sure your Eid would have been a beautiful day. This video will be posted most probably in the evening or tonight or tomorrow morning. I'm not sure. It depends on the time we get back home. Yes.
Have to be back before 8.
Yes, one more thing. Until further notice, anyone who's out in UAE, you guys have to head back home before 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock or maybe 7:30, you will start getting a message. So before that message, better head home to be safe. So right now we are heading towards Ajman Cornish. The traffic is pretty much good here in Ajman compared to Sharjah and Dubai. Mainly in Sharjah it was extremely busy. People are buying food, people are buying things, they parked in wherever they want because the parking is free today. And now Ajman, so far we are seeing it's quiet. We wanted to go basically to Ras Al Khaimah, but Ras Al Khaimah is too far.
Look at the traffic. You said it and see the traffic.
I just said the traffic and look at the traffic.
Why you said it?
I just said this.
Why?
Why did I say this?
Because I hate traffic.
Maybe some other route.
I am trying to look for it.
Those who never seen Ajman, if you're living in UAE, I'm sure you would have seen. But if you haven't seen it yet, you guys have to come to Ajman. Mainly the beach, mainly the seafood, mainly the seafood. Sabah? Yes, the seafood
Ajman fish
opposite the fish market. You will love it, guys. We are waiting to go back to that restaurant. They serve fried.
Not fried.
You choose the fish, a grilled fish, whether it's lobster, any fish. They will give you with rice, that pickle, I don't know what they say, the chutney, I don't know what.
Spicy chutney. and
Spicy
salad.
chutney and salad. You will love it, guys. That's an Egyptian restaurant. You should go there. Maybe very soon I will take you guys. A cool shout out to few brothers of mine. I would like to wish them Eid Mubarak. First is to my lovely Egyptian brother Amir. Right now he's in Egypt. I wish him the best. Eid Mubarak, ya Ma'allim. Wallahi, I love you. I miss you, ya Ma'allim. And the second is I wish Shahid in Sri Lanka, my boy, the next rapper in the house, Shahid, AKB, OZB, Shahid in Sri Lanka. Shahid, Eid Mubarak. My wishes to you, to your family, and சீக்கிரமா துபாய்க்கு வரோம் மச்சான். ரொம்ப மிஸ் பண்றேன். இல்லைன்னா நாங்க அங்க வரோம் கன்ஃபார்மா ஸ்ரீலங்கா. And my very close friend, childhood friend, not childhood friend, teenage friend, my bestie, my jetty buddy, my buddy friend Karimullah from Pudupet. Eid Mubarak மச்சி. என்ஜாய் பண்ணு. என்னோட விஷஸ் உங்க ஃபேமிலிக்கு. என்ஜாய் பண்ண மச்சி. ஈத் முபாரக். கடவுள் வந்து உன்னை நல்லா பார்த்துப்பாரு, கவலைப்படாத. நல்ல விஷயம், நீ தண்ணி அடிக்க மாட்டேங்கிற. என்ஜாய் பண்ணு, என்ஜாய் பண்ணு. And then I have Abdu, a very special friend. I've not met him yet, but yes, we are very, very much in touch and close in Facebook and in WhatsApp. He was here before and then he left to Chennai for good. Hopefully he should be back. Eid Mubarak, my wishes to your family, bro. I will see. Please come back. If you think you have a good opportunity, come back to Dubai and we shall meet. Ilana, I will be there in Chennai. For sure, meet Patla. So guys, that's it. That's my special wishes. Shout out to my team in across the globe. I have many more. Many more. But these are the few list. Eid Mubarak. Have a beautiful Eid today. I'm sure you would have had a beautiful day because it's almost, by the time this video post is going to be late.
But in India it's tomorrow, so a lot of
Yes,
people have to do that.
exactly. For India it's tomorrow, which is today. I don't know when it gets posted. Anyway, for India it's on Monday. For a lot of places like Malaysia, Dubai, UAE, Middle East, basically it's, on Sunday, which is today. So all my Muslim brothers and sisters around the globe, whether Eid is today or tomorrow, I wish you all happy Eid. May God bless you. May God give you the best of the best. And please pray that this virus should get rid of this world as soon as possible. So thank you guys. If I missed out any one of you guys, please forgive me. But yes, my wishes to all the Muslim brothers and sisters around the globe, to all my subscribers, to my viewers, everyone. Enjoy this vlog. So right now we are in Ajman beach. This is the beach. I'm sorry if it's not clear, but this is the beach. And it seems to be very quiet, but on the other side, this side, it's people are walking, people are all wearing the mask. It's nice to see in Ajman, but it's sad to see the Ajman beach is quiet and you have a patrol. That's a nice thing. You have a patrol there looking good. So that's for safety reason, guys. So don't worry, there's nothing wrong. That's just for safety reason. So now we are trying to stop in a place just to see a view, but I don't think so it's possible because it's packed here now, and we're not going to stop anywhere to buy food or nothing. After this we're going to head back home. Look at this, guys. You will never see the beach like this so quiet anywhere in UAE. Anywhere in UAE, you ask me, you'll never see a beach like this so quiet. What to do? You don't want French fries?
Once. Okay, okay. We're reaching better.
So guys, they were saying in the news 365 cars will be patrolling in Sharjah, 500 cars will be patrolling in Dubai. And the answer is,
We saw a lot of patrolling cars.
now we saw a lot of patrolling cars. We saw a lot of patrolling cars in Dubai, we saw a lot of patrolling cars in Sharjah, and we are seeing right now a lot of patrolling cars in Ajman. So yes guys, like I said, UAE is taking this precaution, safety precaution, very very tight, and they're making it strict. And so far there's lots of cars in the road, but I cannot see a lot of people walking. But in Ajman, yes, we found a lot of people walking next to the beach, but not near the beach, opposite of the beach. But in Sharjah and Dubai, at the moment they're in the car, so I don't know where they're going to pop out.
They are also on a drive like us.
They are also on a drive just like us. So it's good. If, see, the basic thing is, if people are respecting and obeying the rules, it's simple logic, guys. It's for our own safety. So yes guys, the weather is absolutely superb. We loved the weather. It was raining in certain area, not raining, drizzling, and I'm sure it will be raining somewhere in UAE very very high, and I think it's going to rain tonight also. I'm not sure about that. So it was a very good drive. If you didn't see, this is the Sharjah. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and all I could say by signing out right now is, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon if you like this video, share this video with your family and friends if you like it, pass me your comments in the comment section below. I would love to hear about you guys. And do follow me on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram, which is my ID is the same, Dubai Tamilan, but you have to add the number 1. And YouTube is Dubai Tamilan, and Facebook, Twitter and Instagram is Dubai Tamilan 1. So follow me there. You can chat with me, you can ask me any questions there. And in the same time, I want you guys to check out my channel and see all the latest UAE news, the latest topics which I talk about. And if you scroll down a little bit, the last year videos, you can see a lot of travel vlogs about UAE. I covered most of the places, so have a look guys. Take a day off, sit down and go through my channel. So guys, Eid Mubarak to all the Muslim brothers, sisters, everyone in this world who's celebrating Eid. Eid Mubarak guys. May Allah bless you guys. May Allah give you the best in life. And have a beautiful day. I'm sure you had a beautiful day because this video will be posted on Monday, so it's finished. So I'm sure you had a beautiful day, And stay safe, guys. Stay at home. Thank you once again for watching this video. I will see you guys as soon as possible with another video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, be good, think positive, be positive, and peace, guys. Alright guys, I hope you like this video. You see this picture of mine? That's the subscribe button. Click it and watch all those 3 videos. Eid Mubarak.